Hey everybody, welcome back to my podcast. If you could leave a review after this, I would really appreciate it. I hope this helps. And today I just wanted to go ahead and release my podcast about when things get hard, you're going to want to quit. Just be warned. There is some swearing in this. Well, there's a lot more swearing in this one than my usual ones. But I think it's just very good, especially around this season of giving and receiving. But, everybody has those different expectations and pressure. And sometimes your life will fall apart, and it's okay. It's not really what happens to us, but what happens for us and how we react towards everything. So I hope you guys enjoy this podcast, and here we go. I get all this, input from other people, and they're like, yeah, you're so happy, this and that. I'm not happy all the fucking time. And shit gets hard, and sometimes I want to fucking quit. And that's the truth. There's going to be times where you guys are going to want to quit. Is there days where shit just goes wrong and you're like, fuck, really? Or you start up in a good mood and then, the kids start fighting and your hair gets so frizzy because of the humidity or the rain outside. And it's like, damn, really? Or you get this new color line and you're excited to try it out and damn, it wore out fast. Or damn, I didn't read the fucking instructions, so I fucked this up. There's gonna be times when you feel like giving up. And for me, that happens quite a lot, to be honest with you. I'm always in the type of person that I'm like, go, 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 do. And this year, I really focused on my kids, on my family. I wasn't going to travel as much. And it was really more like the universe. And I feel like God, kind of told my ass to slow down. I was pregnant, so I couldn't travel as many shows or do too many things that required me to go on a plane. And it has really messed with my self-esteem and my happiness. And I wanted to talk to you guys about that today, because I know I'm not alone in this. I know there's so many people out there that we are all struggling with this. Not everybody, but there's a lot of people who struggle with this too. Like when you slow down, it's not a bad thing. But when you're used to going like 100 miles per hour all the fucking time, slowing down is like super hard on you. So I had to slow down, and I was like, during my pregnancy, I got kind of sad, and I was like, oh my gosh, am I doing the right thing? I'm gonna have this baby, but like, am I fucking on my career? And then I was like, dude, I'm being totally selfish. I want this baby, and I'm happy to grow my family. Like, what the hell's going on with me? So it's been like this tug of war of feelings between like family and work, and then you go on social media and everybody's traveling. My friends are doing all this and that, and hey Celeste, you want to come? But I'm like, no, I'm pregnant, I can't really go right now. And it was just been like it's super hard on me, and I've had to come to the realization, like, why is it so hard on me? Why am I so sad about it? And it's really has nothing to do with me. It's the perception of what I'm putting out towards other people. And I'm really giving a shit more about what other people think about me than what I really think or want for my life. And it hit me and it slapped me across the face 2 weeks ago. And I was like, oh my God, Celeste, like, this is why you're so depressed, And I was like, do I still want to keep doing hair? Do I still want to be a hairstylist? Am I even any fucking good? Like, this whole like self-doubt and like emotions, also like just having a baby, your hormones are like everywhere. So I am like, up and down, like my hormones trying to get back into normal, and I'm, accustoming myself to this new life with this new baby, a little newborn, the other two at school. So there's just so much change going on with my life. And honestly, as much change as I do in my life, I fucking hate it. I am a creature of habit, and that's the honest truth. I love my habit. It's just like my safety and comfort zone, and feeling like I have no control over it has really fucked with my self-esteem. And the reason why I wanted to share this and go on this podcast and share with this, I know right now it's Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, there's all kinds of holidays. Some people don't celebrate holidays, and it's a really hard time for a lot of people. It's a really happy time. For me, it's mixed emotions. For me, it's always really hard because I only have my sister. I'm very blessed. My husband has a huge family. Most of them are loving towards me. Shout out to all you crazies that love me. But it's just a really hard, lonely time for me because this has to do with my personal thing. I just get sad. I don't know why. It's just like a thing of sadness and happiness. And to top it all fucking off, you know how they say when it rains it pours. I'm not being negative. I'm just saying how fucking's going on right now. My freaking duplex, there is water coming through every single room in our upstairs. In my kid's room, my son's room, my room, the hallway, the bathroom. It's just a freaking shit show right now in my house. And I had my storage downstairs. I had to take all my stuff out. It's all over my house. I started crying today. I started fucking crying today. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna fucking quit doing all this shit. I'm gonna quit fucking doing hair. And I'm gonna quit doing this fucking podcast. And I'm gonna quit all my social media because why the fuck? And you know what? Then I cried it out, whatever. And I was looking at my daughter and she was laughing. And I was like, you know what, Celeste? What are you fucking bitching about? Sure, you have a whole bunch of little Ziploc plastic containers filled with nasty water from the dripping from your ceiling. Sure, you have your shit all over your apartment. But look how blessed you are, Celeste. You get to do something that you love to do, how many days you want to do it. The rest of the time, you get to spend time to be at home with your daughter. You get to enjoy her. You get to pick up your kids from school. Like, what the fuck are you bitching about? You have your husband. He loves you. You have health. And what else do you want, Celeste? Like, you've learned to control your migraines without medication. There's all these beautiful things that happen. Now, why are you bitching about this superficial thing? Even though it's not convenient and it's annoying AF, there's so many things to be grateful about. And this is not the time to quit, Celeste. It's not just because shit gets hard doesn't mean it's time to quit. And you have money in your bank account. You had this beautiful, like blessed, bountiful life, where you have everything you want. So calm your ass down, woman. You'll be okay. And I had to kind of ground myself. Be like, okay, you're gonna be fine. It'll be okay. And there's gonna be times in our lives when something is fucking falling apart. It not always has to be at work. Sometimes with our personal. Or, like things are shifting and we don't know how to handle it. And I just want to let you know, don't give up. Because it's good. It's not forever. All the trials and tribulations are not forever. And they ground us. And I really, really believe in it. Because I've seen it so many times in my life. With the trials and tribulations and all the hard shit that happens, there's always a blessing. But I feel like it makes me more grounded, more grateful, and more ready for that blessing and that opportunity that's going to come up in my life when I get hard shit. Because it reminds me, like, Celeste, stay humble and remember how blessed you are to have this next part of your life. So right now I'm taking it like the rain is cleansing literally my apartment and my life. For the next stage of my life in this new upcoming year, which is coming in a couple of weeks. So crazy. Can't believe we're already in December. So whenever you feel like giving up, whenever you feel like shit, I should just quit, don't. And if you ever feel like that, I feel like sometimes it's natural, it's part of human nature. We do, as much as we try not to. I try not to give a shit what other people think. You get caught up with everything and then you start caring about what others think and you start getting depressed and sad and feel like you're not enough and feel like what you're doing right now in your life doesn't matter. It doesn't amount to nothing compared to the person next to you. You don't know what they're going through. You look through all my social media. I have not posted about like my whole roof leak thing and that I'm sad and shit. People don't know that. And the only people I know that people listen to my podcast right now, knowing that I'm dealing with some shitty stuff in my apartment and stuff. It's a shit show. But people don't know that. You look at my Instagram, it looks curated, it looks pretty. Oh, look, she's doing hair. Life is good. So don't focus on other people's opinions. If you feel sad or down, maybe look into yourself and take a minute just to think, is it really something that I am feeling, or am I putting this pressure on because of everything I'm seeing around me? So that's just my 2 cents for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this podcast. And now I'm almost here to Geyserville today. I'm actually going to go get a haircut. I drove 45 minutes to get a haircut because she's the only one who understands when I mean a trim, what a trim means. And for us long-haired girls and women and everybody who has long hair, you know, when we love our long hair, it's all about the long hair. And when we mean a trim, it's a baby trim for long hair. I don't care if I look like that Skova meme, but I just want to trim it because I like it long. So have a great day, guys. Until next time, I'll see you guys back on the podcast.